Well before I had any interest in crafting jewellery, I always had fond memories of my mum wearing this necklace with our fingerprints on it. I think it was always symbolic just of family and togetherness. That memory really stuck with me. I wanted to offer other people that sense of connection through a special token. Our Signia collection is all about taking impressions of the ones we love. Hey, I'm Simon Goodburn. I'm the founder and head jeweler at Ribs and Dust, and today I'm going to walk you through how to capture the perfect impression, whether it's for yourself, a loved one, or a pet. This is how our jewelers convert your unique impression into fine jewellery. Inside you'll find a part A and B compound and an instruction card. First things first, divide your A and B compound into multiple parts. These should be about the size of a small marble, and there's enough compound to give you about half a dozen of each. Take one A part and one B part and start mixing them together. Mix it firmly between your hands to combine the two parts. This is the most important step. Take your desired finger, press down firmly into the putty, and wait a few seconds. Gently roll and lift your finger to one side, making sure that you don't undo all your hard work. Let me show you what we're looking for and what to avoid. Ideally, we'll have a clear impression with a well-defined print that's relatively flat. A print like this makes it easier for our jewelers to work with your impression. Here are some of the most common problems that we see. This can happen when you're a little over-enthusiastic or rushing the process, and you can smudge your impression. In this example, you haven't committed to pressing down firmly enough, or you've waited too long between mixing the compound and taking your impression. The result is something that doesn't have very much detail for our jewelers to use. This is the most common impression mistake we see, especially with children. This is when the tip of the finger is pressed into the putty, which doesn't allow enough surface area for our jewelers to work with. In most cases, these are unusable by our jewelers, so take your time and make a good impression. Now comes the easy part. Wait and let your impression cure for 15 minutes. It will be soft and malleable, so be careful not to touch it. For the best results, we recommend taking at least 3 separate impressions, but if you can do more, go for it. Once your impressions have fully cured, put them back in the box and attach a return slip. Send them back to our studio. Once they arrive, we'll start the Signia process. Now that you've taken your own impression, let's look at how you might take somebody else's. Whether an adult or child, follow the same steps as before. Take the person's finger and guide it into the putty, maintaining steady pressure. Just like our own impression, we want to hold for a few seconds, then gently roll and lift out of the putty. If you're capturing the impression of one of your beloved animals, the process is the same. However, the difference being you will be pushing the putty into their nose or paw. Now that you've made a lasting impression, the rest is up to us. This is the beginning of the technical process, and the next time you see your impression, you'll be blown away.